It's January 2nd. Rachel is...
trying to let the cat out.
yes, having a nice night. Eating her mac and cheese, but temporarily distracted by the cat.
Rachel, you ready to come sit back down? I have Rachel's chair. Oh no, where's Rachel?
Oh, where's Rachel?
Where's Rachel?
Peekaboo!
There she is. Where's Rachel? There she is.
Peekaboo!
Rachel. Oh, she wants to see behind the camera.
See, there's Mommy behind the camera. Yeah.
It's Mommy.
Now can you be on the camera? See? There's Rachel.
Now Rachel's on the
Hi,
camera.
Rachel.
Oh, it's Mommy again. It's not Rachel.
Rachel has become obsessed with seeing the back of the camera now. Hi, Rachel. Hi, Rachel.
She's trying to get around to the back.
Okay. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Thank you.